On March 1st, that is on Friday, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah confirmed that the blast, which occurred at Rameshwaram Cafe, was caused by a low-intensity improvised explosive device. Addressing the media in Mysuru, the Chief Minister stated that the explosion took place when a customer's bag detonated, leaving at least 9 people injured. In the wake of this incident, let's delve into the history of deadly blasts that have shaken Bengaluru over the past 2 decades. Starting with the 2008 Bangalore serial blasts. Back when it was known as Bangalore, a tragic event unfolded on July 25th of 2008 when a series of 9 bombs exploded in various parts of the city, resulting in 1 fatality and injuring 20 others. The city police attributed the blasts to low-intensity crude bombs triggered by timers. According to reports, the banned organization Student Islamic Movement of India or the militant group Lashkar-e-Taiba was suspected to be behind the attacks. The Intelligence Bureau did not rule out their involvement, but the police maintained that it was too early to contribute the blame. Moving on to the 2013 Bangalore bombing. A terror attack occurred on April 17 of 2013 near the Bharatiya Janata Party Karnataka New State Office Jagannath Bhavan. 16 people were injured and the Ministry of Home Affairs confirmed it as a terror attack. The Bangalore police later arrested Saeed Ali and Jahan Amir in connection with the incident. Another unfortunate event unfolded in the Central Business District in 2014. On December 28th of 2014, a low-intensity improvised explosive device placed outside the Coconut Grove restaurant on Church Street exploded, killing 1 woman and injuring at least 4 others. Forensic analysis revealed the use of aluminium powder mixed with sulfur and residues of potassium nitrate in the explosive device. Haider Ali and Omar Siddiqui, members of the Indian Mujahideen, were later arrested by Karnataka police in connection with the 2014 Bangalore bombing. The Rameshwaram Cafe incident of Friday serves as a grim reminder of the challenges Bengaluru has faced over the years. As investigations unfold, our thoughts are with the victims and their families. Stay tuned to One India for further updates on this story.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.